Sangai baleo tinayango na rolio, rolio. Sangai baleo tinayango na rolio, rolio. Baleo baleo rolio, rolio, rolio. Baleo baleo rolio, rolio, rolio.
Tiga sana terang na Leoni lotu, mungkin tiga sana Leoni lotu, mungkin todo saat tengah na bosan ibu abis ni nak, kita bagi buat terang, mungkin kita bagi saja kini lalu maten tu, namun tak asan di sini pun. Mata terminal sakana bosan saat tahu, dua tahun nasi kini kuah, mata ini cune, nampak runun dulu cerita itu. Endo tentelang ane kena sampai waktu kami datang kena nonton song, ena bikin tu bagi botura awalnya, melengi cacu kena nama tentu. Nasa boleh lebih botura tak. The Most Reverend Dr. Winston Alapua, Your Excellency, the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, members of the Diplomatic Corps, leaders of the churches, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Binaka. And a very good morning to you all. I'm delighted to be here this morning as we celebrate the opening of the beautiful Moana Anglican Services and Teaching Center here in the heart of Suva. It is a privilege to welcome this new center, which will be known as MAST to our capital city. The Anglican Church and its followers are a tremendous source for good in Fiji, and through this new center, I'm confident that they will continue their excellent work to uplift the Fijian people. The Anglican community in Fiji serves under the Diocese of Polynesia, and Fiji is honored to be home to the Diocese Holy Trinity Cathedral right here in Suva. The diocese serves Anglicans not only in Fiji, but in Samoa, Tonga, and the Cook Islands as well. And the Mass Center will also be the hub for the work of the Anglican Church in the South Pacific. Here at this new facility, as we look out over the stunning beauty of the Pacific Ocean, we can appreciate the splendor of the world that God had created for us to enjoy. But we cannot pretend that the world is a perfect world. There are still many ills that plague human society, and Fiji has not been spared. Whether it is hunger, poverty, or injustice in any of its forms, our faith must inspire us to live by the word of God and lift up those around us to do the same. Our Anglican community in Fiji does that every day in their work to care for those in need, comfort those in pain, and treat every man, woman, and child with dignity and respect. in the aftermath of Cyclone Winston last year, I was very glad to see your community rally support from Anglicans around the world to come to the aid of those who were suffering from the devastation. And I know I speak for every Fijian when I thank you all for that effort. Again, you showed that the message of compassion that you preach is practiced by your followers, who are fully dedicated to making Fiji a safer and more caring place to call home. Through their service, Anglicans demonstrate the deep love they have for all of God's people. Your embrace of the idea that all faiths in Fiji deserve respect and equality under the law shows that you truly live out the teachings of Jesus Christ. You bring love, understanding, and knowledge into our society, and we look forward to many years of working alongside your church to serve and uplift the Fijian people. In short, our Anglicans are valued members of the community of faiths in Fiji. Here in our islands, no faith is favored, but all are given fertile ground to grow and prosper. And we are very pleased that you have chosen to grow in Fiji through the construction of this new community center. I'm told that this center's facilities will be open as a venue to use for conferences or educational purposes for other groups and religious organizations. So this center will become a true fixture of this community, open to all Fijians of all backgrounds, a house of knowledge and inclusion. I pray that this new center serves this community well. I pray that the Fijian people can find warmth and peace in its halls and facilities. And I pray that we all continue to find the strength to live out the teachings of Christ, to protect the vulnerables in our society, and build a better world for those who will come after us. May God bless you all, and may He continue to bless Fiji.